The GDPR requires the permanent compliance of your company. In addition to the resources and procedures required for compliance, there is a need for the necessary tools for automation, in order to be able to fulfill the individual requirements. Companies cannot cope currently with their available resources and tool sets. Here we would like to have a positive effect with Step 3. We help you to run your business in accordance with GDPR, and recommend our long-term cooperation. Our multi-year service package is unique, and consists of the combination robotic GRC 365 and the consulting service of our GDPR certified partner. In a close cooperation, we ensure that your company can respond to the requirements of the General Data Protection Regulation in the future, and that you have full control over the handling of personal data. But let's get to the focus in Step 3. It's about the timely execution of the articles. Article 15, Right of Access by the Data Subject. Our software allows to schedule and automate a search of your database, document, and table systems for affected personal data of those who requested information referring to Article 15. Article 17, Right to Erasure. If data of the information applicant has been found, a deletion in the aftermath subject to the current legal situation, practically and automatically is possible. Article 33, Notification of a personal data breach to the supervisory authority. Surveillance capabilities quickly detect potential injuries and provide all necessary and associated information about the incident. Article 34, Communication of a personal data breach to the data subject. Affected individuals can be identified by data copies distributed throughout the entire company and notified in compliance with the regulation. In practice, every stored record exists in a company at least twice. Article 35, Data Protection Impact Assessment. The necessary impact assessment contains all information necessary for the authorities. These details confirm the authorities that your company has used sufficient resources and tool sets. Our service package also includes the option of more intensive support for your internal GDPR managers to ensure their persistent affinity. The AUP is a standardized procedure and part of robotic GRC 365. An external auditor, usually our GDPR certified partner, works based on the AUP and validates on-site with unprecedented care. All parties involved in the hybrid operation are visited by our partner, and the integrity of the CIG is checked. Gray zones or uncertainty are thus eliminated. During this inspection, all GDPR relevant documents will be reviewed. Potential issues will be communicated directly to the affected party, followed by a recorded request, to eliminate them within a time limit. The review of the later improvement takes place digitally within our data room of robotic GRC 365. All data and documents related to the GDPR are stored centrally and enable a link to the responsible entity and stakeholders. Our data room confirms the data protection authorities your correct handling of the GDPR. It has all the relevant information that indicates a high-quality compliance standard of your company.